Okay, so this is Hypothesis. You're simply going to navigate to, you can just go into Hypothesis or Hypothes.is, hit return, and it should bring you to this page, which kind of explains it a little bit. But for our purposes, the one you're going to do is go to Get Started. You're going to create a free account. I already have an account, so it's there and already done. Once you have your account, go ahead and log into that account, and you'll be greeted with a page that looks like this, right? And so it should have your username up here and things like that. The other thing you're going to want to do is go back to the home page, go back to the Get Started link, and make certain that you download the Chrome extension. To work with Hypothesis, you have to be in Chrome. So if you don't have that, maybe a quick trip to google.com/Chrome is in order. That's Chromecast. I don't know why it went there. Let's just do that. And then download and install Chrome on your machine. Come back and log into Hypothesis through Chrome. So you want to be in the Chrome web browser. You're going to click on the Chrome extension. It's going to ask, in this case, I've already got it installed, so it's asking me to remove it. If you don't have it installed, it will just say install in Chrome, and you'll click on that button. You'll do that, and what you'll see ultimately is up in the toolbar here where the extensions live, you'll see this little kind of talking bubble, speech bubble thing here, and that's how you turn Hypothesis on and off, right? So now if I go out to one of our readings, or just we can go to our website, I suppose, that'll work as equally well. I click on this little guy right here and turn on Hypothesis. That opens a toolbar along the side of your browser window. You can click it open, and you can see on this page at least there are no annotations. So I'm going to annotate this. Simply highlight what you want to annotate, and you can either annotate or highlight it. I'm going to annotate this one. I'm going to say, this seems like a really cool class. And then I'm going to post it to, we can either post it to only me, you can post it to public, or you can post it to our discussion, which is the History 305 Digital Methods spot. So I'm going to post it to that. And I think that is it. It's posted. I can close this now. And if I go back to Hypothesis and look at my account, you'll see that as a user, I have, Professor Lawler wants me for something. I have highlighted here, right, a variety of things. So I went to my other website and I wrote, hey, this is written very well. I've been on digital history getting started, and I say this book is a bit dated. I've been in the crafting, right? And so you can see all of my annotations there. If you haven't gotten into, or if you haven't gone to our group yet, I think it's in Beachboard. Log in here. Oops. I have an old password set up in Chrome. I don't remember my password, so hold on a second. Let me open well, in Beachboard, there's a link to our Hypothesis group. And once you've joined it, it'll show up in this group area. So if I click on that, right, I can see that 13 of you have posted to digital history. One of you posted to the soft digital history that underpins the books. And so I get to see kind of who's working and who's not. Haha. And I can keep track of your participation that way. So this is how you're going to work in Hypothesis. Let me know if you need any other help with that. The easiest thing to do is to just follow the step-by-step that's posted to Beachboard and get going, or watch this video. So hope that helps. Let me know if you're still having issues getting in.